Working?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're going to cut a little piece of veneer here, and I'll show you that it will cut very straight. And what's important, so let's get started. Okay. As you can see, I cut one earlier, and you put them together. After the sanded, you got a pretty nice design right here. But you can cut veneer in it. You can also cut thinner veneer, a little wider, up to 7 inches. And let's go over here. Also, that comes with the saw. There are 2 1-inch blades, a 3/4 inch blade, and I think it's like 2 3/4 inch blades. This looks like a quarter. Now this one is used. These are all brand new. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the one on the saw is 6. Now the bigger ones, of course, I use for cutting veneer also. And I think that's it.